Mice are small, agile rodents that are common all over the world. They have compact bodies, round ears, and long tails that help them keep their balance while moving. With their ability to reproduce quickly and their tenacious vitality, mice adapt well to many environments, from fields to cities. They often eat grains, fruits, and even leftovers. Although sometimes considered pests, mice also play an important role in scientific research and appear as symbols of intelligence in many cultural stories. Thank you for watching the video.